The following message is transmitted at the request of the Buffalo Police Department. The Wendigo situation in the city of Buffalo has worsened dramatically. At 10:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, several residents within the city of Buffalo have turned into Wendigos and have started attacking and cannibalizing anyone within their path. It is estimated that there are approximately over 150 Wendigos roaming around the city of Buffalo at the current moment. These creatures are extremely dangerous and will attack and kill anyone within their sight. These creatures can be portrayed by the following traits: a height of 15 feet tall, with the body of a human, horns on their head, large claws on their hands, long yellow fangs, a lengthy tongue, and yellowish color of the skin. Police officers are having a very difficult time exterminating these creatures as they have eaten several police officers, and that some policemen have also turned into Wendigos. This is proving to be an extremely dangerous situation and should not be ignored by any means. All residents of the city of Buffalo are advised to seek an underground shelter, a basement, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a building that has as few windows and doors as possible. Gather all the necessary supplies such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, blankets, pillows, a fully charged cell phone chargers, toiletries, and a battery-powered, hand-cranked, or weather radio with extra batteries to last you the entire duration of this emergency. Barricade all windows and doors with sturdy objects such as boards or furniture. Keep as quiet as possible in your shelter, or else these creatures will find you and attack and cannibalize you on sight. If any of these creatures break into your place of shelter, attempt to protect yourself and your family at all costs. Do not approach these creatures under any circumstances. Should you refuse this order, you will be attacked and cannibalized by these creatures. If you happen to come across a Wendigo, run in the other direction and seek the nearest shelter immediately. Take action now to protect your life. Please continue to monitor local stations or media outlets for more information on this extremely dangerous situation.